Hello and welcome back to Frugal Footprint. I'm Brian, and in this video series we are building an outdoor bin to store our patio furniture. A deck box, outdoor storage bin, whatever you want to call it. In this video I'm going to be cutting out the plywood siding for the sides and the back of the bin. So this is actually the piece where I cut out the floor, and it's perfect that we cut out a 2-foot chunk because the other side is 2 feet, and that's gonna work for our sides. Now what I've done is I've snapped a line at 39 inches, which is enough for it to be flush at the top and just overlap a little bit on the bottom so it covers up where the floor plywood sticks out. I'm just gonna cut this out using a jigsaw. One down, we're gonna do one more just like it, and then we'll go ahead and attach it to the sides. All right, next up, I'm going to be attaching these plywood siding pieces to the sides of the bin using my 1 1/4 inch screws. Now, if you don't like the look of screws, you could use nails here. I'm gonna end up painting this. You know, it's an outdoor piece of furniture. I'm kind of fine with the screw heads showing here, a little bit of an industrial look. It's perfectly fine by me. What we wanna do is have the top of this board flush with the top of here. And what'll happen is on the bottom, there's gonna be a little bit of overhang, and that will cover up the seams between the floor frame and the floor itself. Here, come down here, I'll show you what I mean. See here, we have the floor frame, the floor plywood, and then the frame for our back and sides. So when our plywood is lifted up, it's gonna hit about right here, which is gonna cover up all of these seams and help keep water from going in. I will go around and put a bead of caulking in here to help seal it as well. Like I said, I'm gonna use the 1 1/4 inch screws. It's gonna be flush with the top and flush with the back, which is gonna leave a little bit of an overhang on the front here, about 1.5 inches, which is going to overlap with the doors. The first screw is always the hardest. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other side, and then we'll be back to cut out the siding piece for the back. So here I'm gonna cut out the plywood for the back siding piece. For this one, it's actually gonna be a little bit easier for me to cut off what I don't need. This is the part that I'm going to use. And then way off in the back there, that's gonna be the plywood that I use for one of the doors. Okay, so same deal as the sides. I'm gonna be using my 1 1/4 inch exterior screws to affix this back panel to the back of the bin. I should mention again, we want it to be flush with the top, flush with the sides, and then there's a little bit of a gap on the bottom where the bottom piece overlaps with the floor. All right, well, we are well on our way to having a completed patio furniture bin. This will be the end of this video, so go ahead, hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'm gonna be cutting out the doors and the lid for this beast here. Go to frugalfootprint.com, get a copy of your designs. I have been at it for about 3 or 4 hours this morning. I'm gonna get some lunch, and I'll see you on the next video.